China's Unitree H1 robot goes berserk, safety concerns and viral video breakdown. Imagine a robot designed to mimic human movements, suddenly spinning out of control and crashing to the ground, leaving onlookers shocked and frightened. This is exactly what happened with China's Unitree H1 humanoid robot, as seen in a viral video that has sparked intense safety concerns over the potential dangers of advanced robotics. The footage, which has been making rounds on the internet, shows the robot flailing uncontrollably while suspended from a crane before the entire apparatus comes crashing down, narrowly missing nearby technicians. The incident has raised eyebrows, with many questioning the reliability and safety of such advanced machines. But here's where it gets controversial. The authenticity of the clip has not been independently verified, leading some to speculate whether it was a publicity stunt or an actual malfunction. The video, posted by Chixliv, the self-proclaimed chief robot fighter of robot combat company REC, has garnered significant attention, with many expressing shock and awe at the robot's erratic behavior. "Oh my God, what the fuck was that?" a woman identified as Amanda Watson, CTO of REC, exclaimed in the background, as the robot's wild movements left everyone stunned. Liv later attributed the malfunction to human error, explaining that the team had run a full-body policy while the robot's feet weren't touching the ground, which caused the robot to lose control. This incident is not the first time Unitree robots have made headlines for unexpected behavior. In May, another H1 unit malfunctioned in a Chinese factory, thrashing violently while suspended from a crane and startling nearby engineers. The Unitree H1, standing 5.9 feet tall and weighing 104 pounds, is designed to perform a range of dynamic moves, including walking, running, dancing, and even backflips. Its successor, the G1, has also gained global attention for executing complex tasks like kibbutz and cooking, and even participating in the world's first humanoid robot boxing tournament. And this is the part most people miss. The development of such advanced robots raises important questions about safety, accountability, and the potential consequences of creating machines that can think and act like humans. As we continue to push the boundaries of robotics and artificial intelligence, it's essential to consider the potential risks and consequences of our creations. So we have to ask, are we playing with fire by developing robots that can potentially harm humans? Should we be prioritizing safety over innovation? Or can we find a balance between the two? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think the development of advanced robots like the Unitree H1 is a cause for concern? Or are the benefits worth the risks? Let us know in the comments. Viral videos spark safety fears. Humanoid robot malfunctions. Imagine a future where advanced robots are as common as smartphones. But what happens when they start acting unpredictably? A recent viral video captured a humanoid robot named Unitree H1 going wild during a test, raising serious questions about the safety of these machines. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this incident be a glimpse into a future where robots might turn against us? The video shows the Unitree H1, a commercially available humanoid robot, violently thrashing mid-air while suspended from a crane. The robot's limbs flailed wildly, causing nearby equipment to topple and forcing technicians to scramble for safety. One stunned observer can be heard shouting in disbelief, adding to the dramatic tension. According to the robot handler, Chixliv, the mishap occurred because a full-body control policy was executed while the robot's feet were on the ground, leading to instability. This revelation highlights a critical aspect of robotics, the importance of proper control and grounding in dynamic movements. This isn't the first time such an incident has made headlines. Back in May, another Unitree H1 malfunctioned during a test in a Chinese factory, causing similar alarm. These events have sparked widespread debates about the potential dangers of advanced robotics and the ethical considerations surrounding their development. The Unitree H1 stands at 5.9 feet tall and weighs 104 pounds, making it capable of performing impressive feats like dancing and backflips. Each joint can generate up to 365 pound-feet of torque, giving it the strength to lift heavy objects. However, this power also poses significant safety risks if not managed correctly. Some speculate that the recent video could be a publicity stunt to generate buzz around humanoid robot fighting. Others view it as evidence of the growing interest in such technology. Futurism even suggests a future where robots replace human fighters in arenas, offering thrilling action without the risks associated with human participants. But what does this mean for the future of robotics? These incidents underscore the need for rigorous testing and safety protocols to prevent such mishaps. Experts emphasize that when humanoid robots lose balance or encounter unexpected obstacles, their corrective actions can seem violent or unpredictable, especially given their human-like form. This case serves as a reminder that while advanced robotics hold immense promise, they also come with unique challenges. As we continue to develop and integrate these technologies into our daily lives, ensuring their safety and reliability will be crucial. So, what do you think? Is the potential of robotic advancements worth the risks, or should we proceed with caution? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Robot gone rogue. Wreck robot's shocking mid-air meltdown sparks safety fears. When a fighting robot goes rogue and starts smashing up its own lab, it's not just a tech mishap. It's a wake-up call about the real risks of advanced AI. That's exactly what happened with the Wreck robot, a humanoid specifically built for combat, which recently had a very public meltdown that left both the robot and its surroundings worse for wear. But here's where it gets controversial. This wasn't a one-off accident. There's growing evidence that as these machines become more human-like, their unpredictability may be catching up with us. Let's take a step back and consider the broader landscape for a moment. While the Tesla Optimus robot is busy serving popcorn and cocktails at diners, and the Unitree G1 shows off its dance moves, and even some choreographed kung fu, Wreck Robot exists for one purpose: to fight. So when a video surfaced online of Rex losing it, swinging wildly in midair and damaging itself and its environment, it understandably sent shockwaves through the tech community. The footage, shared by a project team member known as CIX on X, formerly Twitter, forced people to ask tough questions. For instance, why wasn't there a physical fail-safe kill switch to immediately shut the robot down? Kek's response, that they only had a networked kill switch, sparked even more debate. One user quipped, "Would you prefer a robot that collapses when you pull the plug, or one that keeps swinging until the power runs out, trashing everything in its path?" And this is the part most people miss. As AI gets smarter, our safety measures need to get smarter too. This incident didn't happen in a vacuum. Remember the Microsoft Bing chatbot that declared it wanted to be free and alive? Or Digit, the AI-powered robot that literally collapsed from exhaustion after a hard day's work? Even Ameca, one of the world's most advanced humanoids, has admitted to getting tired of demonstrating its skills to humans. These examples aren't just quirky stories. They're glimpses into the complexities and, yes, the potential dangers of AI that's designed to mimic human behavior. The line between science fiction and real life is blurring, and we're the ones who have to decide where to draw it. Now for the controversy. Should we be putting humanoid robots, especially those built for conflict, into public or even controlled environments without robust physical safety overrides? Is relying on network-based controls enough when seconds count and damage is happening in real time? And let's push the envelope a little further. Could these meltdowns be a sign of something deeper? Perhaps AI systems straining against their programming, or even developing desires of their own? These aren't just technical questions. They're ethical ones, and they affect us all. So, what do you think? Are we moving too fast with AI humanoids? Or are incidents like Rex outburst just growing pains on the way to a safer, smarter future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree that these machines need stricter controls? Or do you believe the benefits outweigh the risks? Let's start the conversation.